especially over the northern Front Range. As you get closer to spots like Fort Collins and up and through Red Feather Lakes and Estes Park, you are going to find more haze and more smoke there. Take a look at our drought monitor. This is obviously a huge concern when we talk about the fire danger. It is extremely dry, extreme drought there in red, covering pretty much all of western Colorado, and then some exceptional pockets there with the darker red, both on the eastern plains and also on the western slopes. So it's a huge concern. We need a little rain and snow. This next 5 to 6 days, though, is going to be really dry. We are tracking a change early next week. I'll show you that here in just a minute. But today it's going to be about 10 to 15 degrees above normal. Things will stay dry, mostly sunny, a little hazy. Not as windy today, which is good news for the fire danger. Yesterday we had a number of red flag warnings due to the winds. This morning it's quite a bit calmer. We're at about 5 to 10 miles per hour here in town, and it's not going to be as breezy or as gusty as what we saw yesterday. 45 in Denver right now. You're primarily looking at 40s to low 50s, with Thornton at 45, Highlands Ranch 57, and in Evergreen right now 42. Chilly in the mountains, more upper 20s to low 30s early on. Skies are clear though. Satellite and radar obviously getting a big break this week. We're going to see clear skies and just a few clouds over the next few days. Take a look at FUTURECAST, and we should be at about 60 degrees by 9:30. We'll be in the upper 70s by lunch, and then low to mid 80s for highs again today. We'll hit those highs between 4 and 5. It does rapidly cool down as we get closer to sunset though, and we'll drop back into the 60s by that point. Early Wednesday morning, a similar situation, more 40s and 50s with another afternoon of 80s. We are going to see low to even upper 80s here over the next few days, with likely Thursday and Friday being two of the warmest days. Take a look at our Super 7 day. It'll be pretty toasty, it looks like, through the end of the week, and again, very dry. Overnight lows also in the 40s and 50s. By Saturday into Sunday, we're going to be tracking our next cold front. Likely those winds are going to pick up on Saturday, and then on Sunday, we're going to see temperatures drop down into the low 70s. There is going to be some cooler weather for us here at home watching the Broncos game on Sunday. Should be in the 60s by about 2 o'clock that afternoon, and then hitting highs right around 70 to about 72 that afternoon. And then on Monday, that cold front will really start to, well, make its way through the state. We're looking at 60s, a chance for showers, and finally, Jason, some cooler, wet weather toward the beginning of next week.